Tell me that you love me and you ain't gonna ride for me. I'm lame for real, that's how you feel. My oh my, I got just a chill. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I renamed my channel from Lisa TV to Life with Lisa just because I feel like I'm ready for something new. And yes, this year is like almost finished and it was a year. But for today's video, as you guys can see by the title down below, I'm going to do like a back to school video, like how I just prepared and think for back to school. So far basically I have done nothing. I have already have you guys know that I go to the community college in St. Vincent and I am doing the paralegal studies program. So with all of that said, hi, this is me. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this video simpler. I'm just gonna show you guys what I have to go back to school with, what I choose to go back to school with, and my reason why. That's basically for this video. So I have already had my shirt and my pants and my school shoes and socks already ready for school. That is already verified and good and done. So basically now it's just showing you guys how I'm gonna pack my bag. So I bought a bag, which I didn't have to, but I did. I bought a bag, a cute red bag. It just says some kind of word and it says love, love, love all around the bag. But I like the color contrast and how when the bag shine in the sun, it lightens up. By the way, I'm using natural sunlight, natural lighting today. And this is the bag basically. And what I like about this bag is that when it gets wet on the outside, the water doesn't soak in right away. So like if I'm walking and some drizzle rain come, I'm not worried about my iPad getting wet. Inside of the bag, it's just like a basic bag. See, it has like a pouch in here where I'm gonna put my tablet, so my tablet will stay in place. And it have the front, have a zip in the front, basically just to like throw your phone or whatever. And to the side of the bag, it have like where you could put like some snack or water. Basically I'm gonna carry school water too, so like a bottle of water can go in here, and on the other side you can like throw some snacks, like little sweetie or something, not anything major. So starting out to pack in my bag, I already charged my iPad. So this is my iPad. Let's see how much it is at. It's at 100%. Sorry, I charged it yesterday, so it's full. I seal it and I'm going to put it into the pouch, just like that, so it won't really move and go anywhere. And I'm gonna carry loose leaf to school. This pack already had been opened from last semester. Didn't really use much of it because they now provide papers, but this is just in case. I'm not gonna carry any book to school. My loose leaf will come in handy for writing anything, and my iPad is what I will be using to type my notes on. Then I have my iPad charger. Make sure you have a charger. Although my iPad won't die in school, I make sure at least have my charger, and I also have a phone charger, so this can use both for my iPad and my Android phone. And these will be going right where my iPad is, right in the pouch. So right there in the pouch where my iPad is, this charger will be going. So I put them in one time. My phone charger can go in the morning when I'm ready for school, because obviously I will need my charger. Then I have my makeup bag. my mini makeup purse with just regular things for my eyebrows. Just my eyebrow concealer, my brush, and my lip gloss, and things to do my edges. Basically, my concealer, everything is in here. So I just put this where the loose leaf is. And the bag don't even look like it having anything yet. Look. It just looks normal. And then I have a pen. One pen. Because I'm not going to be writing. So just have one pen to just in case I want to jot anything on loose leaf. And I put this where my loose leaf is. And then for basic purposes now, like everyday use, I will be using my Gorilla Snap gel to slick down my edges. Hopefully it works because it's a new one I just bought. I normally buy the yellow one, but this one is clear white. Ooh, it's really runny too, so I hope it works well. It sells at Diamond Girl for $12, at least $12. And I bought this big gel to twist my lock with. Eco Styler gel. It actually works really good, and it holds my hair for like at least 2 weeks unless I ramp up my hair. So it works really good. I still have my mango and lime castor oil, black castor oil that I put in my hair, and it also could be used on your skin. And basically I just have here a spray bottle where I put water in it and some of the castor oil so I could reduce some of the sweetness, and just spray it in my hair where my hair feels dry. I shake it and I just spray it in my hair when my hair feels dry, basically. So that's just it, how I prepare for college. And the reason why I'm not carrying any books to school is obviously because I have my iPad, and same thing that I can write on my iPad, I can write in my book. And for the part with the loose leaves, my loose leaves won't get lost because I will be having a folder. I have lots of folder up there. I will be taking down a folder and keeping my bag for my loose leaves. And the loose leaves will be very important because I don't need to have a heavy book bag. So that's just a smart way about going about with college. My first year in college, I thought I had was to get like 10 books, 5 books, 3 pens, 2 pencils, like secondary school thing. Venetia watching me. Secondary school thing, but now it's like you already know the drill. So you don't need to carry a lot of books. If you want anything, you download it on your iPad and you go with the flow. You write your notes on your iPad. Oh, also I forgot one thing. I have it written down. So I want to have a sanitary purse. I need to buy. I have a purse already, but I want to buy a new one. So I have to get a sanitary purse because I want it to be big. So basically in my sanitary purse, I will be putting like cream, water bottle, a water bottle, small water bottle by the way, baby wipes, spray, some gums, hand sanitizer, breath spray. Some cliche, I know. And also pads, just for like your sanitary purposes. You never know what may happen. Also, I may like put like underwear, spare underwear, and like spare tights. So I want the bag to be at least a good size so it could hold those things. And also I want to be going to the gym, I hope. So at least I want to at least put a vest and a tights in it so I could use at the gym. So basically that's it. Also in my sanitary purse, I would like to have like few hair supplies like hairpins and like my gels and so forth, and hairpins and rubbers, just to be on the safe side. So basically that's how I prepare for my second year in college. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find what I did make sense rather than having a lot of books and a lot of things in my bag. So So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like this video below, subscribe, leave a comment, and be back here for the next video. I know my energy is like way down, but yeah, that's just how it is. I feel bored, that is why. Bye now.